Hey, first graders. So today we're going to talk in math about a new way to solve story problems. You remember using the change to more and change to less, where we found the starting number, how did it change, and what's the final number. We're going to read more story problems today, but we're going to use something called a parts and total diagram. You might notice that it's going to look a lot like something that you've used a lot with the number of the day. So let's read the story and then we're going to solve it together in a new way. Teresa has 3 pencils in her backpack. How many pencils does she have in her backpack? 3. And 6 pencils in her desk. We've got 2 numbers here. She has 3 pencils in her backpack, 6 pencils in her desk. How many pencils does she have altogether? Well, what are we going to do with those 2 numbers? We're going to take the 3 pencils and the 6 pencils and add them together to count all of the pencils. So the first part, here's our part total diagram. See how there's 2 parts and 1 total, because we take this part and we put them together. How many pencils were in Teresa's backpack? 3. So I'm going to write the 3 over here. And how many pencils were in her desk? 6. So I'm going to write 6 right there. Now, how many pencils does she have altogether, or in all? We're going to add those 2 numbers together, 3 and 6. Which number should we put in our head first? The 3 or the 6? The 6, because it's bigger. So say 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 3. We added those 3. So she had 6. She got another one, 7, 8, 9. What would that number sentence look like for that story problem? 3 plus 6 equals 9. Now, I want to show you something else. Because, oh wait, I forgot to put the total at the top, didn't I? 9 goes at the top. That is our total. Now I want to show you something, because it kind of reminds me a lot of this guy. That's our number bond. Remember using number bonds a lot in the classroom with the number of the day? I hope you do. I'm going to get rid of these circles for you. A number bond is the same as a part total diagram. We have 2 parts that go together to make a total. Sometimes you might know what the total is, or the big number here, and you have to find the other part. So for this story, Teresa had 3 pencils in her backpack and 6 pencils in her desk. And when you put 3 and 6 together, that makes 9. Okay? So that's